So hi, this is a quick presentation on how to use your meal plans within the 21-day cleanse. So I've written it down so you can pause and stop this wherever you kind of want. So what works best? So the meal plans and shopping lists are together as a kind of a guide because not everyone's going to like all the meal plans that are within this kind of plan, right? So what we found is most people get the best results. So this is from Dan. If they keep it simple and treat the meals as fuel. And essentially what happens with most people, they think they want variety in the meals, but the truth is most people eat the same foods on a weekly basis. So having too much variety isn't going to work. And for 21 days, if you can stick with less variety, which I'm going to talk to you about in a minute, then it'll be better for you. So here is the best thing to do. Ideally, you want to create the following from the meal plan provided, using the extra recipes and stuff for stuff that you like: 3 breakfasts, 3 lunches and 3 dinners. And like we said, if you want to add more variety, use the extra recipes manual, and this can kind of help. So that is the easiest way to go through the meal plans, right? Try not just to stick to the ones that are on there day by day. Vary them up a little bit, but only vary them to 3 lunches, 3 dinners, 3 breakfasts, and try to eat them throughout the 21 days instead of getting into a kind of a tizzy or a bit of a fit about what to eat. Eat the stuff that you like, eat the stuff that you enjoy mainly. Hope this kind of helps. If you've got any questions, let me know.